So here's your catmint. It's like 4 feet wide, sprawling. But look at this cute new one coming up in the middle. Okay? So if you cut this all back, then it will stimulate new flowers for the plant. Because it'll be like, whoa, whoa, where are my seeds that were gonna come with all of this?
Yep.
So all you do is you just cut
it
like
all
this.
Wow.
Like that. All right? And
Okay.
then you can even divide this and move it around. All right? That's it. You wanna do some?
Yeah, sure.
You ready? This might horrify you. Close your eyes. It's got like a very thick root. I wonder if something else is in here too. You should be able to just slide right through.
Really?
Yeah. That's okay.